Hello, this is PG Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Transit 350. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the heavy-duty trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we have a tow hitch receiver. We do have rear park sensing with your backup camera just up there. We got some nice black trim along this vehicle and a dual door in the back, which I'll just open up to demonstrate. Got a step to get to the back with a vinyl floor interior, plenty of hooks and doodads to hold all your gear down. You can really customize this vehicle however you really please. You got a latch to open this door, and you got rear lighting, which is pretty nice to see what you're doing back there. We do get a keyless entry keypad here, side view camera, long arm trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we got a front view camera, front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we get a manual driver's seat with the gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space, nice step to get to the back, auto stop, auto start, parking brake, cup holders, powered windows, lights, cup holders, and storage on the dash with USBs, and you do get storage above your heads as well. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 61 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have lane center, and you got a speed limit warning, digital speedometer, we have my view, trip and feel, status info, towing, vehicle maintenance, audio, trip, phone, navigation, and other settings. To remember, we got a little step here to get to the back. Tons of room. You get tons of storage above, like I said before. You can turn your back lights on or off with this button, which is pretty nice. Hooks for your sun visor. More storage there. Upfitter switches, trailer brake, storage cup holders, gear select, 12-volt and USB storage below, hazards, drive modes, max temp, 360 view of the vehicle, park sensing, volume, and looking here, we have navigation, audio, phone, settings, features, and apps. You got your climate controls at the bottom, and looking at your navigation, pretty easy to use. You can search, recent, saved, keep your audio open at the same time. You got your audio right here, which AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone, settings, pretty straightforward there. Features of the vehicle, drive mode, driving assist, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KA07272, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.